How to get ByBit card. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to ByBit, and then after you log into your account, you're gonna have to simply hover your mouse over finance and then simply click on card. Then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on apply now. Now as you can see, if you scroll down, you can see different benefits of this card. So as you can see here, basically you can spend your crypto directly using this card. So all you have to do is simply click on apply now, and then you're gonna have to choose the country of residence. So you can choose any of these and then simply click on confirm. Then after that, you're gonna have to make sure that your account is eligible. So you're gonna have to make, first of all, some verifications. As you can see, you're gonna have to submit a national ID, passport, residence permit, and after you verify your account, you're gonna have to simply enter your address, and then they're gonna ship this card to your address. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.